Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, September the 3rd. Well, a bullish day today, and the buyers have made net bullish progress on the day, and a fairly large amount compared to the previous day, and that's because we have a larger green bodied candle. We do have a change of trend in the first time frame. We have a slightly higher low and a higher high, which means that we have an uptrend in place. Previously we had a downtrend, and the previous day we had this spinning top type candle, which was an indecisive candle, which made us aware that there may have been potential for a change of trend in the first time frame, and that's what's happened here. Now the close is above the previous close, which means that the buyers are keen, as well as them being in control of this market. With the buyers closing the market up at the high, it means that they had total control when the market closed. Now the market found support at this previous area that we highlighted yesterday, where we had these swing lows in this small head and shoulders pattern that formed previously, and the market has found support at that level, so that level becomes crucial for this market over the next few days. Even though we are in a first time frame uptrend, we only just took out that low, the previous low at from the previous candle. So if we do trade down, then we have potential support at 978, which was this previous major swing low, and then on the way down to a previous level at 956, and just below there around 950 we have potential support from the cloud or the Kumo. Now in Japanese candlestick terms, this is a Japanese candlestick bullish reversal pattern, and it's what we call a tweezer's bottom, and that's basically when we have two candles with the lows of the candles being pretty much at an equal level. They don't have to be at exactly the same level, but there's a little bit of give and take in that, but it is a tweezer's bottom reversal pattern. Normally we require confirmation of that pattern with a change of trend in the first time frame, but that's already taken place. But what we'd like to see is further confirmation of this, because we only just slightly took out the previous low. Then we'd like to see a nice bullish close up above the current high of the market. Now if that does eventuate, and there's every likelihood that it will, because we've got a lot of bullish signs in this market, then the market will trade up towards this area of previous resistance from this swing high at 1018, and we need to see a bullish close up above there, and we have further resistance up above around this area, which is a fairly strong and large zone of resistance that extends from about 1044 down to roughly about 1030. So the market will need to do a bit of work to trade up into that zone and trade through that zone. Just in relation to the Ichimoku clouds and the other indicators, we're trading up above the cloud, which means that the market is overall biased still, bullish, has an overall bullish bias still. But we are trading down below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and that means that the market is negative, that it's bearish in that those lower two time frames. Potentially we will trade up above those indicators if the market does appreciate to retest this previous resistance area at 1018. We do have the Tenkan-sen pointing sideways, which means that the market is in some sort of short-term equilibrium, and that's reflected by the end of this first time frame downtrend and this momentum, upside momentum that the market's finding at the moment. And the fact that we've only just taken out the previous low, and it's only a very small retracement of this previous large first time frame downtrend. Now interestingly, the Kijun-sen is still pointing up, which reflects some upside momentum in this market. It may be predicting that the market will appreciate fairly rapidly up to retest this 1018 level. So we need to watch the high of the current candle for the market to potentially trade up to 1018. We certainly do need to watch this support level, which is a fairly strong support level, but if that's taken out, then the market should trade down to 978.